Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay, this is Make Money with Jay, and I make videos of how to make money online. Well, I show what I'm doing online, so if you copy me and I'm earning money, you're going to make money. I show how to make printables on Etsy, I show how to make books to sell on Amazon KDP, and I also sometimes review videos, like video creation tools and stuff like that, guys, yeah, as well as making money on YouTube. Check out some of my videos if you want. I do free copies, free printables, what you can have, free colouring pages and that. But today's video, we're going to talk about passive income, yeah? And basically, so far I have earned £547.99, yeah? So that's all time, yeah? And this simple way, what I'm going to show you in a minute, it's earning me sales every day. Like today, let's see, yeah, I've made a sale so far. Yesterday I made a sale. Now I'm not making many sales, but it's still passive income, guys, yeah. Last six orders in the last week, so almost one a day. Last 30 days, 14 orders, made £21. So this month so far, £18. This year in total, £202, 147 thingy. Last year is when I first started using the program, as you can see here. Started making Christmas printables, made 345, so all time, yeah. Now this conversion rate might not be brilliant, but I'm still making sales. Now if I show you this is called Crispy Prints by Ike Paz, yeah. It's brilliant, guys. Not only do I love about it is it shows you step by step, learn how to make and sell printables online, yeah. It shows you step by step on Etsy. If you want to do your own Pinterest and stuff like that, your own website, he shows you guys lots of different tutorials that here, guys. But what I love is, look at this. Not only when I first bought this, you got like 3 or 4 bundles, yeah, but he uploads them every single month. So you've got here, you've got shower bundle, you've got your couples bundle, great for Valentine's Day. Busy book bundle, certificate prints, Bible bundle, these sell quite good. Road trip bundle, popular through the summer and that. Easter bundle, birthday bundles, Halloween bundle, Xmas bundle is what I originally bought it for, and is what has made me the most money because my brand is about Christmas. You've got your kids mask prints, you've got your 3D mask prints, you've got your dice prints, which is great, people like to cut out and glue and stuff like that. Flag banners, power bundle, S-tail banners, baby banners, sticker prints, and essential pages, etc, guys. But what we're going to look at is, look at this. Every month he uploads new ones. Now next month, yeah, we're going to get wine label prints. The month after, we're going to get math activities, which is great all year round. Product service prints in December, and gift tag prints, yeah. So we're going to get 2 in December, so it's like a Christmas gift. But I'm going to show you how it works, guys, because the new one this month is Halloween, yeah. And it's so simple, guys. What you do here, grab your template. You can either download your answer keys, yeah, which you give to your customer, or your background template, right? It'll download. And it's got these I can't think of the name for them. The size of what you need, yeah, guys. And what I do exactly is download it, and I go over to Canva, and I upload it here. And this is the template now. I've already done it, yeah. And then what I quickly do is I do this. This is how easy it is, guys. Let me just quickly show you. Now you might find an easier way, but this is how I do it. I'll just go over this box here like that. Yeah. Copy it. Go onto a blank piece of paper. Paste it. Yeah. We're going to change colour in a minute. Yeah. So you can get rid of that now. Yeah. So then we want a background. We want like a border colour, yeah. So what we'll do, we'll search, let's type in Halloween. I've already done it, so let's have a look, right? And I'll just quickly get rid of I just want it static, yeah, I don't want any moving stuff. So you could use this one like this, yeah, but you can't really see the pumpkins in the background. But what we could do, yeah, we can change this then back to white, but then just move him out of where, bring him back over here. transparency, and I do this, I make it go down a bit. If I keep it on 70, might be alright. So you can still see the background, yeah? Right, and all you have to do then is, if you do that, and you want a different background, say for instance, you just want this orange one, that's how easy you do it. You make a few of these like that, maybe you want that one there like that, yeah, pretty cool, isn't it, with eyeballs and that, yeah. Then, what you do guys, is you come back to here for the theme, yeah, so let's have a look for some theme. What can we use? We use pumpkin because we've just been using the background for that, yeah. So what you do is, you make sure it fits inside this box. I'll show you in a minute why. Then what I'll do is copy it, yeah, and paste it, so it's there, yeah. Paste it again, paste it. You don't have to use this, you can use any background you want, yeah. In fact, let me just move it up a tad, because I don't want it like hanging off the edge there. I mean, you can do, but it just looks a bit more professional and stuff like that, yeah guys. Yeah, then we'll download one of these, yes, let's download this one, page 2, yeah, so download it. And you can check out, I've been using this lots of times guys, so if you want to check it out on loads of my other videos, I'll show you like Easter ones and Valentine's what I've done and that, yeah. Come back to Crispy Prints, yeah. Upload your image to that. Give it a couple of seconds and it should, yep, there it is. Now you can select them all if you want, but then but for the sake of this video, we'll just click 2 of them, yeah. So let's just, let's just click 2, yeah, and then create bundle. Now it's important not to click off this, don't press back or anything like that, leave it doing what it's doing. You can always come back to another tab. It's just don't click out that one and it'll automatically upload in a minute. So I'm just going to show you some of my other videos of it, yeah. Printables, where's printables? I have made some guys. Like here, Mother's Day games, yeah, ideas. I've made more than that, I know I have. Oh, it's loading guys, this is how quick it is, see? So I'll just shrink it a little bit. Let's get rid of that so we can see it. And look, you can see the pumpkin in the background. You've got your spooky word search, yeah? And then here's the pumpkin. It's made just some games already. And look how cool it looks, yeah? So let me just go back to... let's go back. Alright, yeah. So let's go back to Crispy Prints. And you can change this, so if you want this colour as well. Let's see, we'll go with a green, yeah? Spooky. Yeah, let's have that, right? We'll just try some different colours. Would you rather? We'll have a colour by numbers, yeah? Get rid of that. The top 2. Like the word search. Create bundle. I'll just show you some other ones, guys, yeah? Go back to this and if you switch, I mean you can go to categories in that and you'll have them all there, but I'm just trying to find, look, your Bible study printables, I'll show you there. More Bible printables. You'll find lots of Christmas ones because I've made loads of Christmas ones. Yeah. And they're just really good. Oh look, yeah. Easy ones. More. Just come and check them out guys please. And if you like this video please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Look here guys. I don't really like the green. It probably would be better if I used orange and made it look a bit more better, yeah. So here's a would you dare. It's like a would you rather this or that kind of game, yeah. And then colour by numbers, so you can colour them in, yeah. Let me just, yeah. So if you can see, it's got numbers on it. You can hardly see them, but that might be like because of my background and that, guys. But look, it shows you the colours to colour in, yeah. And that is how easy it is, guys. And it's called Crispy Prints, yeah. I will leave the make it orange. I'll leave the link for it in the description. It is an affiliate link, guys, so if you click it, I am gonna, or I might make a commission. I should make a commission if you click that link and buy it, purchase it through that link. It won't charge you any extra, it won't affect you at all, it just gives me a commission because I've recommended someone to the product, yeah, so it's basically saying thank you. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.